So hello everyone, today we will be learning about the kiosk features. So let's move to the sizes. So as you can see, it's available with different sizes. This one is 32 inches, this one is 43 inches, this one comes with 55 inches, then you can see a huge screen for 75 inches and this one is the 65 inches. Now it comes in two ways, one is touch and one is non-touch. So when I talk about the touch, you can see I can touch it, it's based on the IR touch, so I can touch it and operate it. When it comes to the non-touch, you can see I cannot operate the touch. So this kiosk, these type of kiosks can be run through the mouse, which can be connected through the USB port, which is available at the back side of the kiosk. Now let's see the features. So as you can see, these are some applications, so Chrome, Play Store and Gmail, all the things will be there inbuilt in your kiosk. And in spite of these applications, if you want to install some another application, you can always use the Play Store, right? From here you can see I am having a taskbar at the bottom. From the applications, we are giving you a software for the single player. Now what the single player software means is, the single player software which will be helping you to play the videos and photographs in different templates. So as you can see, different templates are there. If you have some images or some videos in your kiosk, so you can run those videos and photographs in different templates as per your convenience. So this is the software which we are providing for the playing of videos and photos. And if you want all the videos and photos to be run regularly and in the loop, so that is also possible, that can be done through the kiosk. Now you can see, you can play the videos and it supports dual band and single band, both Wi-Fi, hotspot, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything will be inbuilt in this kiosk. And at the back side, we will be giving you the LAN port, two USB ports and one port for the power cord. So this is a plug and play kiosk, you have to plug it in and start it, it will be started working. Now in this kiosk, we will be giving you the signage settings. From the signage settings, you can schedule the task settings. If you want your kiosk to be get switched on and switched off or shut down at a particular time, so that thing can be done through the timing mode and shutdown. You can set the timing for the shutdown so that the kiosk will be automatically shut down whenever the time will stop. So this is how you can run the kiosk, and it's based on the Android 12.0 version, and we'll be giving you 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. It comes with V100 chipset, which will be making your kiosk to work very efficiently. So you can use it to showcase something in jewelry shops and in restaurants for when you want to show something. You can use this for the advertisements, and even if you want to fill some form and all those things, so this is the best option you can opt for the advertisement and for the whatever purpose you want to fill it. Thank you.